thank you for taking the time to push the play button and watch my video. This is Quest for Artifacts with Doug Monroe. And last weekend I had the opportunity to go hunting in West Virginia. My daughter lives in West Virginia, and I've got a couple of buddies that when I go visit her and the grandbabies, we get together at least once and go hunting. And this time it was on a Sunday in a field, a couple of fields that they had already hunted the week before. But luckily it had rained during the week, and so we gave it a shot and we found a few things. I happened to find a bucket lister of mine. And so this video is mainly just talking about that bucket lister that I found. So stick around and see what that bucket lister for me was. All right, out hunting with Doug and Robert, who don't want to show his face. See, there's Robert. Fan. And we're out on a field, and I just pulled that out. My first hard stone celt. And it looks like it's in perfect condition. I'll have a cleanup for you at the end. Hopefully we come back with more. So we're gonna call this Doug and Doug in the Mud and Robert. See y'all later. I get too excited around you guys. Of course, I'll be putting some kind of sound over this. The water's cold too.
I bet it is. Some toilet paper to wash it off. Got off with.
Plow marks on that thing. He's lucky it ain't broke.
I know.
Just adds character.
Adds character.
There you go.
That's a nice one.
Is that granite maybe or something? Or just
Greenstone?
Good stuff, man.
Heavy.
Yep. All right, let's go find some points.
Thank you. I'm gonna walk home now. I'm done. It's the one that I ran into coming off the river years ago, and basically led me to my first point. So I'm ever grateful for Robert. And then Doug.
Stuff there, and there's stuff there too. And
Doug has been a mentor as well, and we found something here. Wait, let me stick his down. Let's see what this is.
Oh my God.
Dude.
Oh my God.
That ain't no blade. That's a big old.
That's a big old point.
That'll go nicely with my celt I found earlier. Like I said, I really appreciate Robert and Doug.
Doug's field. Appreciate Robert.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So my bucket lister I found there has a few names that people call them. A hand axe, a stone axe, a celt, or an adze. And this particular one that I found was an adze. And you can tell the difference by the bit on the stone tool. On this one, you see here is a celt. You see how the point of it is centered. And in an adze, you see that the point is to one side. And the adze are used for woodworking, maybe scraping out wood or working with wood and stuff. And so it has a heavy polish on one side of the bit where it was used. It's got a lot of plow marks. I think Robert makes a comment about how many plow marks it has and how it survived over the years. But I am honored that I have that now in my collection, and will treasure it for a lifetime. May not be one of the greatest things I found, since I found a Clovis. You know, not many things beat a Clovis, but this will be in my collection, and I'll treasure it for a lifetime. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I'm over 1,000 subscribers now. I just need 4,000 hours of viewing time on a regular video or 10,000 views on one of my shorts. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if we get that, and that way I can become a YouTube partner. But thank y'all so much. God bless y'all for watching these videos, commenting, liking, and hopefully I'll get out more often as the weather hopefully improves here in the Nashville area, and I can go hit some new spots that I have where I live now. So thank you. God bless. See you later.